Buenas and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing. So today we're gonna knock down this chimney all the way down to the roof. So because this chimney is out of service, no longer in use, so the owner decided to knock down and cover. We will add some plywood and new shingle. Good to go. And we are ongoing with our chimney removal. All right, so we are ongoing with our project. Okay, so right now we just started the support, the bracket that's holding the chimney, and we are ongoing with our project. And we are ongoing with our chimney removal project. All right, so this is how it looks, almost down to the roof. And then we have to install some plywood and new shingle. All right, and we are keep going with our chimney demolition project. All right, so little by little we are ongoing, and we have to go all the way down to the roof. All right, so this is what it is, and we are ongoing with our project. So right now we are getting by the step flashing. So basically we have to go a little bit down, fasten the flashing, and then we will install plywood and new shingles. And so now we are getting to the point where we start removing the old flashing. All right, so now we just getting by the roof. Okay, so now at this point we are getting down through the roof. We have to pull it off the last piece, and next step, installing the plywood. Chimney demolition project. Okay, so at this point now we are cleaning the garage, remove all the debris and the old concrete. Okay, so at this point we install a ice shell, and next step, install new shingles. Okay, after all the repairs what we done, remove the old chimney, install new plywood, ice shell, and now we are at the point where we are installing a new shingle. And of course we did some ice shell, and now we are installing new shingle, and the color came really good. Three Brothers Roofing, the experience and solution when it's come to a chimney removal service. Okay, so right now we are installing the last piece of shingle, and this project will be completed. Okay, so after all the repairs what we done on this house, we removed the old chimney and installed new plywood, ice shield, and new shingle, and now we just clean the garage, and this project is completed 100% by a Three Brothers Roofing company. See you guys next time. Chop chop.